I'm in Ludlow for a day at the races and also to visit the town and to stay in this hotel. Arrival at the racecourse. This entrance and the parade ring are on the inside of the track. It's £20 to get in for a 7 race card, which includes 1 Class 3 race, 4 Class 4s and 2 Class 5s. A bit steep, I would say, for the quality of the racing on offer. It's £3 to £4 for a coffee, about par I guess. A bit Spartan in this area of the stands. It's not exactly packed in the betting ring. £5 for a pint of beer, not too bad. It's not too crowded in the bar, it is a fairly low-key first day meeting. Reasonable food on offer, not too pricey either.
Black sleeves, yellow stars.
Horses going to post for race 2. You can get close to the action here.
In light blue with maroon spots, Victoria Malzahn Partners Diplomati. Royal blue with yellow crossbelts and sleeves. Melton Mossy, who won this race 12 months ago. Very much on his toes. Eleanor Williams in dark blue with a yellow chevron.
Under Amber Jackson-Fennell, who will win the amateur jockeys handicap hurdle, pulling clear in the closing stages to beat Diplomati into second.
You get a better view of the whole course from a position on the highest part of the stands. Ludlow houses national hunt racing only, and as you can see there are separate tracks on the back straight for chases and hurdles. It's a sharp right-handed track which is 1.5 miles round and slightly undulating. Racing here dates back to 1725. The parade ring. Concetto going down for race 4, Tom Bellamy on board. Panoramic view from the stand.
Minimum, who has Easy Bucks on the tail, and Balcardi has closed right up, but remains last of the quartet. Down the side, about to enter the back straight, with 4 fences around them, and Concetto has moved on against the gap back to Balcardi is double digits now, and Concetto.
The water jump is right in front of the stands.
Down in second, 3 in front of Easy Bucks.
Crossing the course to the inside.
The main car will be parked there, so in front of the enclosures. Less than a length between them.
Especially to Chloe Mills, who prepared this one. Best turn down in race 6, number 1, compare that.
For the water jump, for the one and only time. Formal Park jumped it over 3 lengths off the leader.
Let's watch that again in slow motion. It's marvellous to be so close to this.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome back to the winner of our race 6, the Rick's Oakley's Nelson's Handicap Steeplechase. Goes to number 1, Roberta and Callum Pritchard. Welcome. Another winner for our informed and local trainer, Sheila Lewis. Big well done to our owners, Kilgelly and Wilson partnership. Roberta, race 6.
Here's Ludlow Castle, shot with my drone. Originally built just after the Norman Conquest around 1070 and extended over several centuries after that, overlooking the River Teme. Market Square in Ludlow town centre. Ludlow has nearly 500 listed buildings, and the overall effect of the combination of medieval, Tudor and Georgian architecture is very pleasing to the eye. The Feathers Hotel, where we stayed. Constructed in 1619, it's now a Grade 1 listed building and is very pleasant inside, but the outside looks like something out of Diagon Alley. And finally some more drone footage, this time focused on the Market Square. Ludlow itself is a very nice place to visit, and combining that with a trip to the races is very much recommended. You can watch more of these Day of the Races films by following the link at the end and subscribe to get notified of all future releases.